Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about AWS Lambda. Lambda is a serverless compute service, but what does it really mean? Let's find out Lambda. Lambda is a serverless event-driven compute service. This means you can run code without worrying about server, infrastructure, or scaling. Normally, when you deploy an application, you have to set up servers, manage them, and handle scaling on yourself. But with AWS Lambda, you don't have to worry about any of that. Just write your function, deploy, and let Lambda handle the rest things. And that's the core philosophy of Lambda. Focus on business logic, not infrastructure. But how is this possible? How can we run code without managing server? Let's break down Lambda. Lambda is one of the leading function as a service as known as fast platform, allowing you to run function on demand. Instead of setting up and maintaining server, Lambda runs your function only when triggered. On the right side, as you can see, you just write your code, deploy, and Lambda take care of the rest things. Then let's see how it actually works. Lambda is event-driven, meaning it running only when triggered, not continuously. Then what can trigger a Lambda function? It could be an API request from Amazon API Gateway, a file upload to Amazon S3, or data upload in Amazon Aurora. Once triggered, Lambda runs the function, process a request, and automatically scales without manual setup. How is this amazing? Now, let's look at a common use case, automated image processing. Just imagine you upload a photo to a S3 bucket. This event automatically triggers a Lambda function to process the image. What happens next? Generate a thumbnail and save it to the S3, extract metadata, and update the database, and also you can send notification or trigger other workflows. Maybe you already failed. AWS Lambda works easily with other AWS services to automate tasks and process data in real time. Then what's the key benefit? First, is serverless. I mentioned it too many times, but it's worth repeating. It's amazing. Second is auto-scaling. Lambda instantly scales up and scales down based on incoming events. Third, it's also cost efficient. Because Lambda's pay-per-use pricing model, you only pay for execution time, no idle costs. First, Lambda works easily with S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, and more of the others. And finally, it's built for reliability. Lambda runs across multiple availability zones, so even if one fails, you don't have to worry. Your functions keep running. Then, let's look at how famous companies like Netflix and Square Enix use AWS Lambda to optimize their operation. Netflix uses AWS Lambda to automate media encoding and monitor resources in real time. This reduces errors, saves time, and ensures smooth content delivery to millions. Square Enix relies on Lambda to process game image dynamically, and it appears scaling 30 times during peak traffic. This cut processing time from hours to 10 seconds while rolling costs. In my experience, in my app, I needed a way to keep starting posts at the top to boost visibility. Manually updating them every few hours wasn't effective, so I automated the process using AWS Lambda. Every 4 hours, Lambda automatically calls on API to update post periodically, and it's really comfortable. Today we cover what AWS Lambda is, how it works, and why it matters. We saw how it enables serverless computing, auto-scale on demand, and seamlessly integrate with AWS services. And now it's your turn. Try setting up a Lambda function and see the power of Lambda. Thanks for listening. I hope you like it. I hope you find this session helpful.